Your brain is doing something incredible right now. It's reading these words, understanding them, and connecting them to everything you already know, all at the same time. But so is AI. So, are they the same thing or completely different? Stay for 3 minutes. The answer will surprise you. Let's start with speed. An AI can read 1 million books in the time it takes you to read one page. It can calculate 1 billion math problems per second. Your brain? Way slower at raw numbers. But here's the twist. Your brain does something AI still can't. It reads a room. It feels that something is wrong before anyone says a word. It connects a smell to a memory from 10 years ago. In an instant, speed, AI wins. Wisdom, human brain wins. This one will shock you. Your entire brain runs on just 20 watts of power. That's less than a dim light bulb. A powerful AI system? It needs thousands of watts, sometimes entire power plants, just to run. Your brain is the most energy-efficient supercomputer ever built. Winner. Human brain, by a landslide. AI needs millions of examples to learn one thing. To recognize a cat, it studies millions of cat photos. You showed a 2-year-old child one cat, and they recognized every cat forever. But once AI learns something, it never forgets. Not one detail, ever. You forgot where you put your keys this morning. Learning speed, human wins. Memory storage, AI wins. Can AI be creative? Yes, it can write poems, paint pictures, compose music. But here's the truth. AI creates by mixing patterns it has already seen. It has never felt heartbreak. It has never stared at the sky and wondered why it exists. Your brain creates from feeling, from curiosity, from pain, from love. That's something no chip can replicate yet. Winner. Human brain? So which one is better? Here's the truth nobody tells you. They're not competing. They're opposites that complete each other. AI is fast, tireless, and perfect at repetitive tasks. Your brain is creative, emotional, and wise in ways AI can't touch. The future isn't AI replacing the human brain. It's humans using AI like a superpower. To think bigger, move faster, and solve problems neither could solve alone. Your brain built AI. That alone tells you everything. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe, because every week we break down the biggest AI topics in the simplest way possible. And comment below, do you think AI will ever truly think like a human? I read every comment. See you next week.